Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Xiaomi 13T Pro. You have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. Now click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. And you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now it asks if you want to see notifications from this browser, or you can click no thanks. And that's it. Now your Microsoft Edge is set up. So if you like this video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.